Imagine trying to guard a city with thousands of open doors. That's what it's like to defend a modern computer network. Every second, thousands of events, alerts, and system logs flow in, far too many for any one team to read. Somewhere in that flood, a real attack could be hiding. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing how defenders handle that chaos. It doesn't replace people, it gives them an extra pair of digital eyes. The job isn't about catching every alert anymore, it's about seeing the right ones faster. Cybersecurity teams face what's called alert fatigue. Every tool, your antivirus, your firewall, your email scanner, sends alerts. Some are serious, but most are just noise. A single large company might see a million events a day. Humans can't review that much data, so hackers hide in plain sight. That's why AI is being added to security tools. It learns what normal activity looks like, and it flags what doesn't belong. Instead of seeing everything, you see what matters most. Let's watch it work. Here's an example of a live log feed from a company's internal network. Thousands of normal logins, file transfers, and updates scroll by. Then the AI catches something subtle. A login attempt from a user who doesn't exist anymore, connecting from overseas at 3 a.m. It's not proof of an attack, but it's suspicious. The system automatically gathers related evidence, where that account tried to log in, what commands it ran, and what files changed. In a few seconds, the AI builds a case summary that would take a human hours. Now, here's where the partnership begins. The AI can find patterns, but it still needs someone who understands context. It might say, "This looks strange," but a trained defender can look at the same data and say, "That's a backup script, not malware." The human checks, confirms, and teaches the system. Over time, AI learns what your network really looks like, not just what generic attacks look like. It's a little like a spelling checker. It helps, but you're still the one writing the message. Of course, AI isn't perfect. It can make mistakes, and that's dangerous in security. An AI might miss a real attack, or worse, raise false alarms and waste precious time. That's why oversight matters. Good security tools always let people override, investigate, and retrain the model. Think of it like autopilot on a plane. It can steer, stabilize, and even land, but you still want a pilot in the cockpit. The future of cybersecurity isn't human versus AI, it's human with AI. The best defenses come from the speed of machines combined with the judgment of people. AI handles the volume, people handle the meaning. When the two work together, defense becomes faster, smarter, and more resilient. That's the heart of modern security, keeping the human in control, while AI does the heavy lifting. In the next video on Zyber, we'll take this from concept to command line. You'll see real tools analyze logs, connect the dots, and respond in seconds, all powered by AI.
Cybersecurity doesn't have to be scary or complicated. Here in Zyber, we show you how to make it simple, practical, and even a little fun. Stay smart, stay secure. This has been Z. Till next time.